I'm gonna make an Arbonne protein shake ice cream, okay? So what I did, I'm putting some frozen bananas in. I'm going to put some frozen strawberries in. Oh boy, I hope I have enough room. I might have to put it in another blender. And then I'm gonna put some ice. I put some milk in there. Let's put some ice. And then we've got to put the Arbonne vanilla protein shake in there. So let's see if this works. Okay, we're gonna put 2 scoops of the vanilla protein shake in. And of course we know this protein shake, this is like having a meal. All right, so now, oh, looks pretty good. There we go. And so now we've got, and I think it actually, let me taste it.
Put more ice in there.
You think we can put more ice? Let me see. Let's put a couple more strawberries in it. Just a little more ice in it. And let's do it again. Okay.
You need to blend it more.
I do? Looks good though.
Yeah, but there's probably chunks of strawberry in there.
It's fine. Okay, all right, so there we go. There it is, and it's super yummy. Yum. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here, and then